Peaches! Oh, Honey Poo! Peaches, I need to tell you something. I wrote you a song. Oh, there you are, Honey Poo. I have something for you. It's a beautiful song.
Bowser, will you just please let me go? It's not a game, please.
Peaches, honey, darling. But I did something just for you. Peaches, 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 peaches.
Stop, Bowser. Stop. I'm gonna make an ultimatum. If I beat you in a competition, will you please let me go?
Peaches, peaches. What? Let you go? Well, given you can never win in a competition against me, yes, let's compete.
The competition, Bowser, is you'll let me go back to my castle if I can make a prettier squishy than you.
Prettier squishy? Deal. You go first, so I can see what you do.
Hey guys, welcome back to Nat and Essie. It's squishy making day. Princess Peach is competing against Bowser, and we have all these fun accessories to put inside of our squishy. To get started with our squishy, we need a Dr. Squish squishy balloon and place it inside the squishy maker. Stretch it over the top, just like this, to make your own squishy, and pump. The squishy is going to get much, much bigger. Wow. Since we're making Princess Peach, I'm going to throw in some pink confetti. Oh, it's little hearts. That's kind of perfect for her. Whoa, that's a lot of pink confetti. Before we do the next layer of special items, I've got a clear layer of slime. Let's just go ahead and stuff this carefully inside the squishy maker. Since our squishy is going to be all pink, we can add some pink fishbowl beads. And we can even add some directly into some slime to make it extra crunchy. This is the part you have to be really careful. Just carefully fold it all together. Like this. And that's not enough. So now we can put even more inside. Whoa! A little more. And we can carefully fold it one more time. It's going to get really tricky. I think we did it. Crunch all of those fishbowl beads into the slime. Can you hear it? Super duper crunchy. Ah! This is where we have to be careful. I have to keep pumping this because my Dr. Squish squishy maker is super old. So I have to keep going. Placing my squishy in, placing the slime in the squishy. And what else can we add? These look perfect. Whoa. Those are so much fun. And to finish it off, of course, we're going to add a little bit more slime. What do you guys think? Look at that squishy in there. Should we take it off and see what it looks like? Okay, I'm going to pump it just a little bit more because I'm getting ready to pull it off. Whoa, that is one pink, pretty squishy for Princess Peach. We've got this confetti. That's so pretty. Then next to it, we've got the pink. And then we've got like this kind of cotton in there as well. That is one pretty squishy. And this side is definitely my favorite. Now it's time to make Bowser's. We're going to go ahead and place our squishy balloon on the squishy maker and pump it up. For his, we're starting with a small layer of slime because we have these green beads that look just like Bowser that I want to put on top. Whoa! Bowser also has a lot of yellow and spikes, so I have these candies that look like spikes. We're going to add those all inside too, followed by a whole bunch of slime. Ugh! What else can Bowser put in his? Green sparkles? Let's do it. Whoa, that's a whole bunch of green sparkles. Time to finish it off with some slime. Woohoo! Ooh, what do you guys think? Did Bowser do a good job?
Haha, Peaches! I made an awesome squishy. You must stay with me.
Not so fast, Bowser. See, the keyword I used for this challenge was the prettiest. And although yours is pretty cool, it's not pretty. You see, mine is the definition of pretty. I'm out of here, Bowser.
Peaches, honey, no! Don't trick me like that! Oh, well, at least I have my squishy left.